Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am showing you how to use TikTok with your Deeper Connect Air from India or any other country. So guys, TikTok is basically a little bit hard to use with Deeper Connect Air, but I have found a way, and you can see I can connect to my ID, and I can also see my other ID from before. And like I haven't used these IDs since a long time, but what you have to do is you have to go to the mod and smart route to Canada or like whatever country allows TikTok, and you have to paste these websites here in domain config and choose it. I have chosen Canada, but you can choose any. Please pause the video or select these websites from here, and you have to add them like by like adding a website here, and then you will have to go select Canada or something and click add. Okay, and that's how you do it. The another thing is, like, many people might be missing this. Like, if you type on Google TikTok login, right? That's how we normally log in, right? But when you click on this login button, your TikTok won't get logged in. Like, I'm already logged in, so I've applied my ID, but it wasn't getting logged in before, but now it's fixed. How? It's just, guys, you have to go to TikTok login, and you have to select this make your day wala, this make your day TikTok, and then TikTok will work for you. You have to go back from that login and watch these. So you can also subscribe to me on my YouTube channel, and please do subscribe me on TikTok as well. Follow me on TikTok. I'll be trying to upload a lot of TikTok videos. So I have 600k subscribers on YouTube, but my views are low right now. I'm trying to make a lot of content. Please check any content you like here. And I'm making reactions like on Jenna Ortega's new song and best TVs under 30k or something. You can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and let's end the video here. Bye bye, sayonara.